So what are the main points to change up and make variants of video ads for Shopify dropshipping, different background music, different captions, stuff like this? So the main variations I would make if I was doing like meta ads, TikTok ads, anything like that, is the hook and the body, right? So obvious, there's like the hook, basically the most important thing that engages people in that. I'm just going to test a bunch of different things. So it wouldn't really be music. It wouldn't really be captions. It's just going to be the hook and then the actual main body of the video. So in terms of the main body of the video, you're just going to try a bunch of different things. So you're going to try some things where it's much longer, explaining the product or the service in much more detail, right? Like really going into detail. Obviously starting with the key features, you start with pain points and then go based upon the key features. You accentuate the problem and then you solve that accentuated problem in an amazing, easy way. It's basically the way you make video ads. Like you accentuate the problem, you make it seem like this big problem, and then you fix the problem in a super, super simple and easy way.